smile. Always. Always means always.
So is that a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know.
Oh, this is no. How can be bad thing, ma'am? How can it be bad thing? Tell me.
Because there are some people who take this also in a negative way, that she smiles too much, she laughs too much. So I'm like,
No.
then don't talk to me. If you feel like I laugh too much, then don't
Don't
talk to me.
don't pay attention. They are mad. They are fool.
Exactly. I mean, it's completely up to you, right? You want to talk or you don't want to talk. Similarly, it's up to me. If I feel something that is funny, so I will laugh. So it's my
Yes.
mentality, no?
And I was
But
watching
people,
I was watching a short video. Then
okay.
uh, yes, they were you maybe not absolutely you were because I cannot believe that I'm talking to you
Oh
and you
God, please.
yes you
No,
were
no.
teaching some words very like related to instead of saying very you
Okay.
made a video.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. Oh, there was on Instagram and on YouTube. Yes, yes,
Yes,
right.
I was watching on YouTube.
Okay. Okay, so
Where are you
that's
from,
it.
ma'am? Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. I live in Delhi.
Same here. Just uh, checking this, like who are best and who are not. Yes, I have to deal with
The
you.
rating helps a lot, no? The
Sorry.
ratings that are given with the speakers, I think that would help to
And
recognize.
you are on demand, do you know?
No, there is nothing like that. Actually, it's just that the speakers are less and the learners are more. That's why you feel like,
No, that
yeah.
session was not good. There was a network issue. Then
Okay.
I was looking for a session. Then I saw you on the screen. No, just I clicked. Oh, I hastily in the click. Then yeah, I will have a session with you.
Oh God. Great. I'm more happy than you are that at least, here we are sitting with each other for this
Okay,
session.
okay. Tell me, ma'am, how do you feel when like I am talking to you in a
Yeah.
blissfulness? How do you feel?
How do I feel in the sense I have to judge how your speech is?
No, no, no.
Then, in what way are you saying?
I'm saying when anybody says, "Oh, I'm very blessed and I'm very glad to
Oh
talk to
God.
you like this."
My first reaction is to skip this conversation, that I should just immediately stop the person, that no, please, there is no such thing as, you're talking to somebody that is impossible to talk to. So I become like this person that no, we have to just skip forward this conversation. Let's not discuss this and let's not talk over this part that I'm talking to you. I've got many comments when people say that you have become a celebrity on YouTube. So I'm like, please, no, there is no such thing as being celebrities. Kind of, you feel good from the inside, but then again, you don't want to feel like, no, there is a lot to achieve yet. So these minor success points, they do mean a lot, but they shouldn't like bring you down, make you overconfident. So that's why I
Mhm.
kind of avoid conversations. Like, please, no, don't say that.
No, we are motivating. Just
But okay,
keep.
but it's good.
Was I was getting stuck in between, and I was very nervous with
Okay,
her.
okay.
Gradually have taken class, and now I am becoming a little
More
fluent. And it
confident.
is
Right.
and this is gradual process. We
Hmm.
learn this little
Of
by little.
course, very true.
Yeah.
Okay, so
And now
getting stuck was one topic that you were
yeah.
facing. Okay. Apart from this, nothing else?
No, there are so many conversations so far. I get stuck.
You get
Sorry.
stuck. You still get stuck. Okay.
Yeah.
On an average in your entire day, like not on Clapingo, outside Clapingo, do you get a chance to speak in English with other people?
No, because there is no
Not at all.
atmosphere. No. But
Okay.
I listen English, Sadhguru.
Oh, he is a wonderful speaker, the way he
Yes,
talks.
I
It's
love him. I love
so
him,
nice.
man.
I mean,
I love
it's
him, and
it's
I
very
watch.
calming,
Yes,
you know?
when
Yeah,
he's yeah, when he speaks, it's really just listen and
it's
listen and
very
listen, keep
smooth.
listening.
Yeah, listen. His words also, and what he's trying to teach through those words, that's
Yes,
amazing. Seriously, that's quite good. So
we
that's what
can't
I like about
explain
him.
this about
Exactly.
Sadhguru.
Very true.
Yeah, I am
Okay.
really big fan of him.
Hmm. Okay. So you listen to Sadhguru. Any other thing that you do? Oh my God. I am crazy about Friends.
I watch every day, like a little,
Oh, you
little
watch it every day? Wow. Yeah.
25 or 30 minutes. I just watch clip.
One episode. I am so
Not one
crazy about
episode.
Friends that, I
Not.
keep on watching on repeat. When there are
Okay.
10 seasons, they get over, I come back to season 1, episode 1.
You
Then the
don't get
cycle goes
bored.
on.
You don't get bored.
I do not get bored. I am watching it for the 17th time, I think. The entire show, I've watched it 16, 17 times, and I don't know what I'm doing with myself. Why am I watching this show again and again? Even I don't know. But I'm just watching because it's amazing.
Friend, you feel.
You connect with that show.
Yeah.
What season are you on, Rohit?
Sorry?
What season are you on?
No, I'm not watching particularly any season. I just open my YouTube and search
Yeah.
Friends web series, whichever,
Okay, you're watching clips of Friends.
yes, yes.
Have you watched the original show?
No.
Oh God, please, please watch the show. I'm telling you, like, you are depriving yourself of such a show. You've got to watch the entire show. It's amazing. Just by
I,
watching the clips, you feel so good. Just imagine
I,
if you watched the show from the start.
I'll definitely watch this.
What are you waiting for? Please, please try to watch it.
We can improve, we can improve by this web series.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My primary reason for recommending Friends was that the vocabulary of the show is very good.
Ma'am, how long have you been teaching here?
It has become more than 2 years now.
That.
Yeah, 2 years now. Yes, we were like the initial set of
And how did
speakers
you,
who
ma'am,
were
how did you
hired.
join? How did you join this?
Oh, it's very lame. The way I joined was very lame. Why? Because it was lockdown and I was utterly bored sitting at home just with my mom, dad, and my brother because I'm a very socializing person. Sitting here was making me crazy. So I came across Clapingo. I gave an interview, some video rounds, and we got selected.
Guys,
So
I want to be tutor here.
oh wow. Oh, you should try. You can apply for it. Of course you can.
First of all, I will have to be fluent with,
When we joined since we were the initial ones, so the interview process was quite simple. Now that the demand has increased, so for the speakers, it has become a little more extensive.
Do you know, ma'am, I'm a teacher of grammar and mathematics. I know
Oh,
very
you
well.
are? Okay.
I know very well grammar, but when it comes to speak, I get stuck because this is really different thing of, from grammar.
Of course. No, it's very true. Teaching grammar and actually implying them into your sentences are two different things.
Yes.
That's the problem.
Yes, I know very well. And when it comes to write, I can write totally, write structure.
Yeah. Because when we are writing, we have time.
We have
We
time to
get
think.
time to think. Exactly.
Yeah.
But speaking is spontaneous.
Yeah.
You
We
don't
have
really
time
get
to
the
think.
time.
Yes.
It has to be in a flow. That's why people say that we don't have that fluency. It is not spontaneous.
Yeah.
But trust me, if you have a habit of watching web series and movies in English, learning English will become like a piece of cake for you.
I'm really getting into it, web series, this friend and Sadhguru. I'm really getting into it.
Very nice. Oh, you're getting kind of an addict that, oh, I have to watch this show. I have to watch this web series.
I am being.
You're being an addict. Literally, it has happened with me also. But please, apart from Friends also, there are a lot of web series that you can try. So please do try them.
Yeah.
The vocabulary is stunning on Netflix series especially. If you're watching Netflix series, it would be wonderful. If you have access to Netflix, all the shows that are there to offer to you, it would be lovely because the sentence structure, the pronunciations, the vocabulary, everything is quite good.
Hmm.
So it would be
We'll have
nice.
to be involved with it.
Yes.
We have to
But
be
I
consistent.
understand not everybody gets the time to spend like 5-6 hours on just web series and all. So I suggest 1 or 2 episodes if you get the time. Do you read? Are you into reading?
Yes, I read you. I love fitness, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I read fitness
Okay.
like books or something like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I love,
Those are
I love bodybuilding. I love fitness. I keep reading about you know nutrition or diet or like this type of.
protein X and all, whey protein, this protein, that